In this video, you'll see that you do not need to spend much time walking while wearing the Apos Health device. For example, if your clinician advised you to use the device for 30 minutes a day and to be on your feet for 20% of that time, this is how that could look. You put on the device at 6 and enjoy your TV program. During the commercials, you get up to make a hot drink. You continue watching your show and begin to feel the need to use the facilities. You finish watching your program and at 6:30, take off the device. That's it. Simple as that. During your Apos Health time, you could also do things such as using a computer, speaking on the telephone, or having a meal. Your clinician will instruct you about how much time to add on a weekly basis, but the simple nature of using the device while caring about your day always remains the same.